Custom Containers Pack, Pack 5. Review of this freeware expert that helps you visually build Composite Components Custom Containers Pack, Pack 5. What is Custom Containers Pack? CCPack 5 is a freeware package that allows you to visually combine, extend, and inherit VCL containers. The package was developed by Sergey Orlik, Product Manager of Inprise Moscow Office, Russia, C.I.S, and Baltic States. CCPack 5 works with Delphi/C++ Builder 5, and is the evolution of two existing Delphi/C++ Builder 3,4 add-ins, Custom Forms Pack, CFPack, and Composite Components Pack, CCPack 4. One of the common uses of CCPack 5 is to create components made of various components. CCPack Introduction Movie 337K Downloads Custom Containers Pack CCPack 5 for Delphi/C++ Builder 5 695K CCPack 4.5 for Delphi/C++ Builder 3 and 4 591K CFPack 4.3 for Delphi/C++ Builder 4 129K CFPack 1.01 for Delphi/C++ Builder 3, old and non-modified version, 45K. Full source code is provided and you can modify it without restriction for any non-commercial projects. Let the author know if you want to use the software in your commercial projects by email to sorlik@inprise.ru stating the tool's name in the subject line. A sample composite component. After you have installed CCPack, you're ready for the first example. Close all Delphi projects. In the File menu, choose New, select Custom Container, or Composite Control in Delphi 3/4 in the New Items dialog, and click OK. In the New Container dialog, select T-Frame, write T-File Composite in the New Class Name field and click Finish. A form appears. Its surface is the surface of your new Delphi component. Set the following properties in the Object Inspector: width equals 281, height equals 164. This will be the default size of the component. Drop a panel onto the form, and set its properties. Align equals al left, width equals 130, bevel outer equals BV, none, caption equals constraints.min, width equals 110. Drop a splitter to the right to the panel. It will align automatically to the side of the panel. Drop a drive combo box and a directory list box on the panel and set their properties. Drive combo box, left equals 0, top equals 0, width equals 130, height equals 19, anchors equals AK left, AK top, AK right, directory list box, left equals 0, top equals 19, width equals 130, height equals 145, anchors equals AK left, AK top, AK right, AK bottom. Click on the right side of the form, and drop a file list box. Align equals al client tab rider equals 0. With this we have completed the visual interface of our composite component. Now it's time to add some code to link the components. Double-click the drive combo box and in the change event handler write procedure T file composite.drive combo box 1 change, sender, T object, begin directory list box 1.drive equals drive combo box 1.drive, and double-click the directory list box and in the change event handler write procedure T file composite.directory list box 1 change, sender, T object, begin file list box 1.directory equals directory list box 1.directory, and with this we have completed the basic behavior of our composite component, which for the programming interface will inherit the methods and properties from T-frame, the base class we chose when we created the component. Let's add a couple of public properties, file name and directory. In the declaration of the class add, type T file composite equals class, T-frame, protected declarations function get file name, string, procedure set file name, string, function get directory, string, procedure set directory, string, public declarations property file name, string read get file name write set file name, property directory, string read get directory write set directory. The implementation is quite simple. Basically we get and set the file name of the file list box and the directory property of the directory list box. Function T file composite.get file name, string, begin result equals file list box 1.file name, and procedure T file composite.set file name, string, begin file list box 1.file name equals file name, and function T file composite.get directory, string, begin result equals directory list box 1.directory, and procedure T file composite.set directory, string, begin directory list box 1.directory equals directory, and now let's add 3 events, change, click, and dbl click. In the declaration of the class add, type T file composite equals class, T-frame, private declarations F on change, T notify event, F on click, T notify event, F on DBL click, T notify event, protected, public, published declarations property on change, T notify event read F on change write F on change, property on click, T notify event read F on click write F on click, property on DBL click, T notify event read F on DBL click write F on DBL click, and, as you might be guessing, these events will be triggered by the change, click, and DBL click events of the file list box, so generate the corresponding event handlers and write the following: procedure T file composite.file list box 1 change, sender, T object, begin if assigned, F on change, then F on change, self, and procedure T file composite.file list box 1 click, sender, T object, begin if assigned, F on click, then F on click, self, and procedure T file composite.file list box 1 DBL click, sender, T object, begin if assigned, F on DBL click, then F on DBL click, self, and, if you wonder about the assigned function, please allow me to explain. F on change is a field of type T notify event, and this means that it can hold the address of a procedure of object that takes a sender, T object parameter, or it can be nil. So we should make sure that F on change isn't nil before making the call F on change, self. However, the following won't work. If F on change nil then. The reason is that referring F on change is taken by the compiler as an invocation of the procedure it points to. Since it's a procedure, it doesn't return a value type compatible with a pointer, so we can't compare it with nil, but before realizing this, the compiler will find that we forgot the parameter, sender, in the call to F on change. Our intention is not to call the procedure F on change points to, but to know whether the value of F on change isn't nil. This is the purpose of the built-in assigned function used above. For the purpose of the example, this is it. You can install this unit and then use the component from the components palette, or you can include the unit in a test project and create the component by code like we did in the test application to save you from having to install a useless component. As you can see, with CCPack, someone with little experience in component writing can build composite components quickly and easily. More information: you can find more information about CCPack, and find other components at Sergey Orlik's website. You can find the full source code of this article in the archive that accompanies the Pascal newsletter number 24.